once again, you guys, hi. You guys have to sit through a little moment of darkness. Just pitch black, complete darkness for a second, really quick. I'll be on in a moment. Stick around because you're about to see something really cool that was captured. It was a video from a drone that was captured during a camping trip that me and my family went on about 5 months ago now. And as you can tell, or I think it was 4 months ago, I'm pretty sure it was I think it was in July, so that would be 5 months ago. And I mean, as of the date this was posted. But anyways, so you guys are about to see a clip from a drone that we recorded that during that camping trip, and it was really cool. You get to see the campsite, and you get to see this really nice curvature of the earth, and it looks really awesome. It's one of those quadcopter things, and yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm only posting this now because I couldn't find the clip of the drone anywhere. I had to get it sent through email by one of my family members who was on the camping trip with us. But anyway, so yeah, I'll just stop talking now. Oh, by the way, my sister's on the camping trip too, so she can say a few words about it. So, here you go.
Well, that camping trip was
Tons of fun.
Yes.
Yeah, that's kind of it. So, without further ado, it's already taken quite a while to speak. Go ahead, check out the video. Adios. hey guys, I would just like to thank you all guys so much for watching. I know this video is a bit strange. It was super different, and it was not my regular video game. It's not a video game, period, obviously. If it was a video game, I would be very, very impressed with the video game makers for making such realistic graphics. Like, I'd probably give them an award or something. Not that I have awards to give away to video game developers. Anyways, that got weird really fast. I'd just like to say thank you guys so much. And the reason I posted this video, in case anyone is wondering, was simply because... Okay, this is going to sound super, like, preachy, weird, not, like, funny at all. This doesn't really have a sense of humor to it, I just wanted to say. So, if you don't want to hear this preachy stuff, then don't turn off the video right now. I'm giving you one warning, 5 seconds, go ahead. You done? Okay, good. So, I made this video simply because, for a second, during this moment when I saw this video and everything, I appreciated nature. Okay, I know, yeah, I'm getting super preachy, but I appreciated like the beauty in nature, and I just feel like we should all get a chance to appreciate it every once in a while. And this video could be some person's chance, and I really want it to be some person's chance. I don't know who, but it could be some person's chance to appreciate nature, like, because they don't normally, for whatever reason. I don't know. Yep, super preachy. Thanks for watching anyways, and have a great, lovely day, because I'm all in a great mood. Have a nice day. Adios. Oh, and also today's Thanksgiving, so, yeah, let's be thankful for nature and life and happiness and stuff. I told you this would get really, really weird and awkward. Happy Thanksgiving. Don't know how else to end it. If you guys actually thought I would forget Thanksgiving, well, you guys were almost right. Because I actually seriously almost did forget completely to mention Thanksgiving today. But I didn't. So, yay, jazz hands. So, yeah. I don't know why you're still here. You can go ahead and eat your meal, eat your big feast, eat turkey, go to sleep, watch football, do whatever you guys do on Thanksgiving. Just, unless you've already done all that, it could be nighttime right now while you're watching this. Or it could not be Thanksgiving at all. You could be watching this like a month after I posted. But either way, I hope you guys will have a great Thanksgiving. This is sort of like a Halloween episode. I have no idea when you guys are watching this or when this is going up. But anyways, just before this ends on a really awkward note, even though it already kind of has, happy Thanksgiving, and here is a picture of a dancing turkey. Enjoy.
Gobble gobble.